If you have a computer that runs Windows 10, but Microsoft says it can't upgrade to Windows 11, do not throw it out. Instead, like me, upgrade, and I say upgrade, to Zorin. This Zorin OS, it's free, it's fast, and designed to look familiar to Windows. So let's take a look here. It's a familiar desktop you already know how to use. Better, you can try it before you install it. You can download and install a live USB version where you just plug it in, boot up off it, and you get to play around with it until you're comfortable. Comes with most of the tools that you use on your Windows every day. Follow for part 2 where I will show you how to install it. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe.